Ownership, team. Ownership. So important. Crucial. Okay, and I'm going to carry on with the analogy that John was talking about, which is falling in a hole. Okay, I've fallen in a hole. I'm at the bottom of the hole. I'm sitting there. Guess what? Someone may have pushed me into the hole. Maybe someone didn't put a marker or spray paint around the hole to let me know that there was a hole there. Maybe it was dark and there should have been, lights on the hole or signs, and I just didn't know. But I fell in the hole and now I'm in the hole. Whose fault was that? Well, that was my fault. I should have been more careful not to fall into the hole. I can either take this approach of blaming the world around me for being stuck in this hole, or I can say, hey, that kind of sucked. It's a bit silly. I'm here. I should have really, noticed that, or I should have been wary that that could have happened. But now I'm here. It doesn't matter anyway. I have to own the situation. I have to be positive. I have to have great thoughts in my mind and just put all my energy and focus onto getting out of the hole. If you don't do that, you become what is called a victim, okay? And that is a victim mentality, which is a one-way ticket to staying exactly where you are, which is stuck in the hole. The moment that you take ownership and say, okay, I'm here, I've got to get out, you'll start devising a plan. You'll start thinking about, how do I get out? The negative thoughts are gone. And perhaps you'll start feeling around and you'll notice some things. Maybe there's some little edges on the side of the hole and you can start climbing out. Maybe you can put your hands up and start shuffling your way up. And guess what? Next thing, you're over the lip, you're out of the hole, and you're carrying on. If I was staying in this negative mindset and this mindset of not owning the situation, I will forever be a victim. And that is something that we definitely don't want to do. We can't do it if we really truly want to achieve our goals for the long term, because even if we do get out of this hole eventually, but we haven't owned the situation, it'll happen again because we're not learning the lessons and we become what is called an excuse maker. Team, this is so important for your mind state. Mind state is the key to all fitness training. We want you to check out our MBT page. Go through to bootitfitness.com/MBT. It's in the description. It's in the comments. This program is going to help you conquer your demons. It's going to help you to take ownership of your life and truly achieve your goals. Click through, check it out. It is an amazing program that has helped so many people. We believe in it, we back it, and we back you to take ownership of your life and achieve your goals. Rock on.